sitting and a-watching the clock.
Oh, woe is me. Where can that lonesome stranger be?
Why, he's down at the saloon a-monkeying around with some gal.
Why, that would be...
Wasn't doing little orphan Fanny no good.
Some of these days.
Get down off there, you big schlemiel!
Doggone, he'd plumb forgot all about the money for the mortgage. Now here's a gal making money just for singing. That gives Lonesome an idea. Let's see. He promised to save Orphan Fanny from that conniving, dirty Dawson who held the mortgage on her house, and he needed money pronto. Now, just for singing, this gal was a-making a pile of dough, and if she could, well, he put 2 and 2 together and got 22. Yep, that was it. But time was a-wasting.
She is more to be pitied than censured. She is more to be helped than despised. She is only a lassie who ventured on life's stormy path ill-advised. Do not scorn her with words cruel and bitter. Do not laugh at her shame and doubt.
Yes, sir, he was making money at last.
For a moment, just stop and consider that a man was the cause of it all.
Make with a hop stop, stranger boy.
Just enough to pay off the mortgage. So they paid old Dawson right then and there. And it sure made a happy gal out of Fanny and made a big hero out of Lonesome.
Yeah, but it sure made a big jackass out of me.